McDonald's. Okay. Okay. I don't like this. Let's go to this. Let's go what we're gonna order. Can we have some cheeseburger, fries, and some milk? You guys too. I want the ice milk and the Happy Meal. Okay. Go to your chairs. I'm gonna go first. Okay. Okay. What we're gonna eat? Let's check what we're gonna eat. Yes. Here is your cheeseburger, guys. Wow. Here is your cheeseburger, guys. Wow. Here's your cheeseburger, guys. It's a little bit, just a little. Whoa, yum, yum, yum. So we're gonna go now. Bye-bye. And we're gonna drive to here. It's so hard to find. Closer to slide down over here. And we need to drive like this. Let's put the nail over here. And McDonald's is closed now. McDonald's is closed. Can be so hard to find. So we're gonna let's go. Bye bye. Bye bye. And I'm gonna eat some burgers. Yum 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 yum. And bye bye guys. Bye bye.